In this video, I will be showing you how to connect and use Canva in Claude AI. So let's get started. So for this, just come into the Claude AI interface, and if you open this left bar, we'll be having the customize option. Select it. Here click on connectors. Here we'll be having the add connector icon. Select it and select browse connectors. Just search for Canva. We'll be having the fourth popular one. Click it and just select connect. Now you need to just sign in with your Canva account. After you do that, just click on allow. Now as you can see, connected to Canva, and these are some of the tool permissions available over here. By default, these permissions are set to always allow, and here are the actions for which we are having needs approval. If you want to change entirely, you can, or else if you want to change for individual ones, you can do that also. That's basically up to you. If you want to disconnect, you can select here, and if you want to remove it, you can do that. Now once you are done, let me just go to the chat, and if you go to this plus icon over here, go to connectors and make sure that you're having Canva connector enabled. Now I will just give my prompt here. Here I'm having a simple prompt that is used to create a luxury car poster, and after you give that prompt, just say in Canva. Okay, just add it and send it. These are the designs Claude has generated for me. If you want to get a single design or multiple design, you can specify the count in the prompt itself, and we can simply choose the one which we like the most. I will just go with the first one, and we can simply click open in Canva. If there are any changes to make, you can also give it another prompt. So I'll just select open in Canva and select open. So we have got the poster, and each and every element in this poster is editable. As you can see, it retains the font color as well as the style, everything. And this one is also editable. We can simply delete it also. This image, everything, every single thing is editable. So easily we can create posters by using Claude. Apart from this, here I'm having an existing poster design. I will just copy this link and go to Claude, new chat. I'm just going to ask, after pasting the link, can you please make it red theme, and send it. In case if it is asking you any permissions like this, just click on always allow. We have got the response, and it has given a brief description about the color changes that took place. Now here we are having open in Canva link, or else you can simply go to that design itself. As you can see, the red theme has been applied even in the background as well as the text on the image also. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.